Today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can make this particular dry beef at the comfort of your home. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. This is the beef that we are going to be working with today. I've cleaned it with salt and water. I just added it into the pot and I add enough water to cover it. I'm going to cover the pot and allow the beef to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. I personally like to parboil my beef, alright, because this black stuff, I don't like it in my beef. But if you don't mind, don't parboil it, okay? But personally, I like to parboil it. I'm going to turn off the heat right now, take it to the sink, rinse it with water again, and then I'll be right back. After rinsing the beef again, this is what it's looking like. I'll just go ahead and add all my seasoning. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. I just added some chopped onions, seasoning cubes, salt, rosemary, thyme, curry powder, ginger powder, and some cardamom. I'll go ahead and add enough water to it again. Stir everything together nicely, cover the pot and allow to boil until softened to my liking. I will leave the list of the spices that I use in the description box below. In case you are interested, go ahead and check it out. And at this point, the beef has boiled to my liking. I just turned off the heat and I've already greased my oven tray. I just transfer the beef into the oven tray, pop it into the oven and allow to dry until it's perfectly done. While it's in the oven, I'm checking on it, alright? And here we are. It's looking so beautiful. It's perfectly dry and it tasted absolutely delicious. You can use it for your stew, for your sauce, for your vegetable soup. You can soak gari and add this with gari. It's so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.